Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So today I want to talk about an article I found on ironguru.com. It was entitled Eat Fat to Lose Fat and Lower Cholesterol by Larry Scott. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I just wanted to kind of dive into that and see, what that, was trying to tell us, because it seems very contrary to popular beliefs. So let's take a look. So it reads, you've all heard of medium chain triglycerides, MTCs, which are a special type of fat with relatively short chains of carbon atoms in the fatty acids. When you are using a low-carb diet, these things are great for losing body fat. MTCs have different properties than the ordinary long-chain triglycerides that have longer chains of carbon atoms in their fatty acids, and which make up most of vegetable and animal fats. When consumed orally, MTCs stimulate the liver to make enzymes that metabolize regular fats, but MTCs cannot usually be stored as body fats themselves. Interesting. MTCs also stimulate thermogenesis, another mechanism that burns off stored body fat, which is really cool. So both animal and human studies have shown that MTCs have beneficial effects of sternum lipids. One double-blind placebo-controlled human study found that 1 ounce of MTCs per day caused as much reduction in cholesterol and triglycerides as an extremely unpalatable hospital boy, that's a mouthful. Extremely unpalatable hospital metabolic ward fat-free diet. Okay, so just a fat-free diet at the hospital is basically what they're saying. And then it says, note, if you wish to experiment with MTCs, you should increase your intake very slowly to avoid diarrhea. The diarrhea occurs because unadapted intestinal bacteria are killed by excessive contact with MTCs. The intestinal bacteria can gradually become accustomed to the MTCs if you start with a little, say about a teaspoon after your largest meal, and increase that amount slowly over a period of a few weeks, up to a tablespoon after each meal. And so that's the end of the article, which is really interesting. So I would be interested, obviously, after reading this, of what type of foods have these MTCs, and how do I get these in my diet? So basically, what I found was that coconut oil has one of the highest percentages of foods of MTCs in the actual food. So things like coconut oil, palm oil, cheese, if you're tolerant, of course, butter, milk, yogurt, and obviously the yogurt's probably going to have a bunch of sugar, so I tend to want to stay away from that. But those are some of the types of foods that you would want to get in your diet that would include these MTCs that Larry was talking about. So I think a really cool article, and let me know what you guys think. If you think MTCs are actually burn fat and bring your cholesterol down, and so yeah, maybe give it a try. Try to incorporate some of these foods in your diet, and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and look forward to hearing from you. Take care.